Hi, this is wpholdercom, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to configure payment methods in your WooCommerce website. Let's agree. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation to support me. All info is in description under this video. Okay, first of all, I want to say that WooCommerce has their merchant. It's WooCommerce Payments, and it's great. It charges like 2%, and it's much less headache for you. So you don't need to have separate Stripe, separate PayPal, separate Square. It's all in one. You just install their plugins and connect account, and that's all. Nothing to do else. Okay, I'll show you more complicated solutions if you want to use only PayPal or only Stripe. So go to this is my shop, yeah, beautiful, huge shop, which made me rich. I'm joking, this is demo. First you should install the plugin you want to use for merchant. If it's PayPal, you need some PayPal plugin. If it's Stripe, you need some Stripe plugin. So for example, Stripe WooCommerce. Let's check it. Let's use it. Payment plugins for PayPal. Let's install for PayPal. What else we have? That's the most popular. So actually all others works pretty the same, so the steps will be the same. First, you should install merchant plugin. Okay, let's activate it. What's next? You should go to WooCommerce and click settings. So, never mind. So actually you should configure these plugins. If it's PayPal, you should open PayPal plugin. If it's Stripe, you should open Stripe plugin. If it's something else, you should open something else plugin, obviously, yes. And here you should click connect to PayPal button to connect PayPal. And here you should click to connect to Stripe button. Some other plugins needs API keys. It's a bit more unique you. And if you need help with this, you can contact me by email. I will help you for some money, of course, but I will help you. Nothing to worry about. So you connect Stripe, you connect PayPal. Okay. After you go to WooCommerce, settings, and here are payments. Here is. And here you can see all available payment methods. This checkbox makes payment method available or not available. So for example, I want cash on delivery to be available. After I click on cash on delivery, and here I can write new type of cash on delivery, custom title. Here will be description, here will be what you want, and here you can connect shipping method to this payment method. So if only this shipping method, if user selected this shipping method, only this payment method will be available. Understand? Okay. So only if you want to be shipping on to be cash on delivery available only with delivery in your zone, in shipping in your zone, in your area, you should access it here, set up it here. Okay, let's go to our payments back. Here you can see our Stripe Google Pay, Stripe Apple Pay, Stripe credit cards. So let's activate it. After pay, let's activate it. So this all are from Stripe payments request, Stripe payments method, Stripe payments plugin, sorry, from this plugin. Yeah, I used to work with it. So you can activate all this gateways, but it's anyway will go into your Stripe account. You see, it's gateway that integrates with your Stripe account. So, and here is our PayPal. So you can integrate as much as you want here. And after click save. If you don't want that so much settings, you just activate this one. Just click install and that's all. And configure your account. Let's check how it works. Okay, open product. Maybe it's already in cart. Yeah. Go to proceed checkout. And here are our payment methods. So I want to show you how this shipping stuff works. Where is our payments? Here it is. So cash and delivery. Let's make it work only with zone 1. To be true, I don't remember what is zone 1. But let's check it. Refresh. Okay, it doesn't work because we selected different zone. I'm pretty sure. Let's check what is zone 1. I did it for another video, you can check it. Zone 1 is Alabama, Alaska, Arizona. To check how configure shippings, you can check my other videos in this channel. So let's check Alabama. And you see, cash and delivery appear. If we select something different, like deliver, it's not available. And as you can see, all shipping methods available. It's just not connected to account, so you can pay. It says, please connect your account. After you just click place order, and that's all. That's all you need to do. It's so easy. Okay, I really hope my video helped you, and you enjoyed my video, and you will subscribe and like. If you need some great hosting, you can buy Bluehost. It's great hosting. I'm using it for all my clients and for myself. It's cheap, fast, it's best hosting ever. The link to my affiliate you can get in description of this video. I will be really thankful for you if you will buy it, as you anyway need hosting, and Bluehost will pay me. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day, and hope you will make your payment methods good.